Here are the answers for the day 4 bell work. Question A, write the ideal gas law. That's PivNert, shown here. Question B, 2.5 moles of gas take up a volume of 1.25 liters at a temperature of 100 degrees Celsius. What pressure does this gas exert? 2.5 moles is the N. The 1.25 is a volume, that's V. The 100 degrees Celsius is a temperature, that's T. However, in gas law problems, temperatures have to be shown in Kelvin. And so the 100 degrees Celsius is changed to Kelvin right here. You add 273. So the result is that T is actually 373 Kelvin. The question is, what pressure does the gas exert? That will be the variable P. The formula PivNert also has a letter R in it, and that has different values depending upon what units are used in the question. This question asks us to find the pressure. If we intend to give the pressure in kilopascals, then the value used for R is 8.31. If instead we decided we want to give the pressure in atmospheres, then it would be a different number used for R. The directions don't specify whether to do kilopascals or atmospheres, so either is okay. But on the video, I chose to do kilopascals for pressure, and so I'm going to use the 8.31 as the number for R. All of the given values are filled into the PivNert formula as shown here. We want to get the variable P alone. There's only one number by it, the 1.25, so if we divide by 1.25, then the letter P will be alone. So on a calculator, you multiply all those values together and then divide by the 1.25, getting the answer 6,199, and that rounds to 6,200 kilopascals. Question C, a gas has a pressure of this many kilopascals. This is going to be the variable P for pressure. And a volume of 0.5 liters. This one's going to be a V for volume. And the temperature is 400 Kelvin. That'll be a T for temperature. The question is, how many moles of gas particles are there? That's the letter N in the PivNert formula. So once again, all of those given values are substituted into the PivNert formula. The number goes in for P, the number gets filled in for V. On the other side of the equals, here's our N, and then we filled in 8.31 for R and 400 for the T. We want to get the letter N alone, so if we divide by the 8.31 and divide by the 400, then those two numbers will cancel away and the letter N would be alone. So on a calculator, we multiply that times that, and then divide by 8.31 and divide by 400. The answer is 0.0376. You can leave it like that decimal, or if for some reason you want to give scientific notation, this is about 3 times 10 to the negative 2 power, and the label is moles.